What happens when a British legend from the 1950s gets reborn for the 21st century? Meet the 2026 Morris Minor, a breathtaking fusion of vintage soul and futuristic technology. This isn't just a car. It's a rolling masterpiece that bridges nostalgia and innovation in one stunning package. The front fascia instantly captures attention. That iconic Morris silhouette reinterpreted with modern aggression. The signature rounded fenders remain, but now they flow into sharp LED matrix headlights, each with a futuristic DRL halo design. The wide chrome grille pays homage to the original Minor's charm, while the lower splitter and air intakes bring a sporty, performance-driven edge. The paint, a deep metallic red, dances under the light, showcasing a level of craftsmanship that feels pure luxury. From the side, the 2026 Morris Minor exudes a perfect blend of retro and modern. The proportions stay true to the compact original, yet the stance is wider, lower, and more athletic. Blacked-out A-pillars and a contrasting gloss-black roof add a floating visual effect, while the muscular arches house bold 19-inch alloy wheels with red accents and performance brakes. Every line has purpose, sculpted to channel airflow and visual drama simultaneously. Move to the rear, and you'll find a design that beautifully balances vintage cues with cutting-edge detail. The split rear window is a direct nod to the classic model, now reimagined with LED taillight strips that merge into a single horizontal light bar. Dual chrome exhausts and a subtle rear diffuser add a sporty touch, while the bold Morris lettering proudly declares the car's rebirth. It's a nostalgic silhouette, but every inch screams 2026 engineering. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The interior of the new Morris Minor feels like a luxury lounge with timeless British character. Plush beige leather seats contrast elegantly with black dashboard accents and carbon fiber inserts. A dual-screen layout integrates digital instrumentation with a high-definition infotainment system, complete with AI voice assistants and wireless connectivity. Ambient red lighting adds a futuristic glow, turning every drive into an experience. Underneath this retro shell lies modern performance. The 2026 Morris Minor offers two powertrain options: a turbocharged 2.0-liter hybrid producing 250 horsepower, and a fully electric version delivering instant torque and over 400 kilometers of range. Advanced suspension and rear-wheel drive ensure agility that matches its looks, while regenerative braking and drive mode customization blend sustainability with excitement. Expected to start at $45,000, the 2026 Morris Minor is set to debut in mid-2026, with global availability shortly after. It represents more than a comeback. It's a symbol of how heritage can evolve, reinvented for a new generation of drivers who crave both nostalgia and innovation. The 2026 Morris Minor, classic British charm, reborn for the future. Would you drive this legend reimagined? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive icons revived for the modern era.